Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where x over 4 is equal to 4 over x. Solution. Questions have given x over 4 is equal to 4 over x, or here we can use cross multiplication, so we will get x times x is equal to 4 times 4, or x times x is x square is equal to 4 times 4 is 4 square, or x square. Now taking this 4 square to left side, we will get negative 4 square is equal to 0. Or now we know an algebraic formula: a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So apply this formula. Here we can write x plus 4 times x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now from here we have two solutions, so we can write here x plus 4 is equal to 0 and x minus 4 is equal to 0, or x, now taking this positive 4 to right side, we will get negative 4. So the first value of x1 is equal to negative 4, and here taking this negative 4 to right side, we will get positive 4. So the second value of x2 is equal to 4. So there are two values of x, negative 4 and 4. Now check our questions is x over 4 is equal to 4 over x, or we can write here x square is equal to 4 times 4 is 16. Now when x is equal to negative 4, we can write here negative 4 square is it equal to 16, or we know negative 4 square can be written as negative 4 times negative 4 is it equal to 16. So negative 4 times negative 4 is 16, so 16 is equal to 16. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So x is equal to negative 4, our first value is right. Now check when x is equal to 4, we can write here 4 square is it equal to 16, or 4 square can be written as 4 times 4 is it equal to 16. We know 4 times 4 is 16, so 16 is equal to 16. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So our second value of x is equal to 4 is also right. So there are two values of x, negative 4 and 4. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.